Good evening, everybody. We have Deepika Rathod ma'am with us right now. Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening.
So, how are you feeling about the event right now?
The event is going great. Have been meeting a lot of industry experts in terms of understanding the generative AI and understanding how it is beneficial for the healthcare segment. So it's a great networking event wherein we exchange ideas and brainstorm a lot in terms of what's getting innovated in the entire industry and learn from a lot of people as to how they are been getting beneficial about using AI in their industry and segment.
Right, right. So, you're into healthcare. So, I would like to join healthcare and AI. So, how does it go hand in hand?
See, basically, AI getting into healthcare is a boon, I would say, because there's a lot of data what we see, and healthcare is a segment where we are very specific about creating an unbiased call for taking any of the situations, be it emergency cases or be it high risk cases, right? So when it comes to evaluating a lot of those data, it becomes a very tedious task for any of the operations person to understand what's happening with each of the cases, especially when it comes to mental health, right? When we see a lot of cases coming in, there's a lot of effort which goes into understand if the person is falling into a high risk, low risk, or a moderate risk case. If AI kind of steps in to easen up the entire process of understanding what is it for the person to feel, and rather it gives us the required protocol to follow, right? That's where we can filter out those people, and the high risk cases can be taken up by the professionals and the therapists
Right.
for that matter. So AI can be a initial filter wherein it can help us create that filtering process, and it can help us in creating a lot of analytics out of the data what we have gathered talking to multiple people, right? So it can help us train our counselors better in terms of understanding what could be the use case or how the entire generation is feeling these days. So a lot of quick analytics can be done with the help of AI.
Okay, that's nice. So, are people reluctant or skeptical regarding this, or how are they reacting on that?
So they are opening up because AI is fairly new, right? There's a lot of skilling and learning which is required. But at the same time, it is also being flexible enough for people to understand and play with it a lot of better hands to hand experience. So that is where we see people opening up to AI in some form or the other, be it very simple using of a chat GPT or being it using some of the very technical expertise on the analytics side. People are more or less using AI for that matter. So yes, that is going to be the future, and hence people have to use it. So we see that push of people starting to open up on using the AI capabilities is something which is going to remain.
So, the demand is much
Yes.
larger.
Yes.
Okay, so like, what do you think there are various boons we talked about those. So, are there any threats in healthcare or in mental health?
Definitely, yes. If we do not train the models better when it comes to the regulatory aspect, AI can be very challenging if it does not identify the risk or it does not comply the regulatory aspect, what is relevant for the country or the demography, right? So it can make us very vulnerable in terms of falling into a lawsuit or falling into a high risk situation. That is where a very clean and a very strict regulation which has to be put on AI to train the model in a very specific way is very important.
Right, right. So, lastly, I would like to ask you, what are your suggestions or recommendations for the youth who wants to go into this field, AI field?
My recommendation would be there is a lot of models, but one has to pick what is something which is very relevant, or rather which is very closely connected, to pick on that side and develop beyond. But do not get very enticed by the overall offering, because generative AI is a vast pool of offerings, right? There is a different aspect of AI is what we talk about, but one has to pick that right niche to develop and grow further in that specific area.
Right. Thank you so much, ma'am. I
Thank
hope
you.
people will have a lovely insight from this.
Yes.
Thank you so much.
Thank you. Pleasure.